continue and I just follow some some apps also and
Mhm.
after this I also read and listen. Hello, hi.
How are you, ma'am?
Yes, I'm good. How about you?
Yeah, I'm also good. So, uh, can you introduce me about yourself?
Yeah, why not? So I'm Sikha Singh and I'm from UP and I have completed my graduation in science. Apart of graduation, I have done diploma in education and
Okay,
right now I'm working as a primary teacher.
okay, that's nice. Okay, I'm talking with primary teacher. It's my glad moment to talk with you. Thank you so much for introduce me. Like, what's your profession? What do you do? So you already told me. So it is great, fortunate for me that I am able to talk with you. Uh, so, ma'am, you were in at your school.
Yes, right now.
Okay. So you were in teaching field. You have been also learning English. How long have you been learning English, ma'am?
It have been 3 months.
Okay, okay, okay. So tell me your experience. Tell me about your journey.
Yeah. So yeah, my journey is awesome. Even I can't expect that, but it
Okay.
happened. Yeah, I never expect that. I just
Mm-hmm.
started, and when I started that time, my intention only just learn something, few speaking parts. And when I
Okay.
started, then I saw how many people involved in this line because
Yes, yes.
yeah, earlier then I had no idea. And
Okay.
when I started, then I just I can say most interested in this field, and I
Okay.
can't stay myself in the earlier stage. I want to move more and more. Then I started, and then I continue, and I just follow some some apps also, and
Mm-hmm.
after this I also read and listen writing for myself at
Okay.
yeah. So this is all about I have done, and
Mm-hmm.
part of this, I started definitely speaking part and practice
Yes,
partner.
yes.
I find many people, and
Mm.
yeah, really, it's a nice journey. I am so glad for this all about journey.
Okay. For yes, absolutely. I'm also glad to see you. I'm also glad to talk with you because you were in teaching field and you also learning in spoken English. So it is really good sign for especially who is beginner, who is really passionate to learn in English language. So I'm really glad to uh, tell you that everyone is want to speak in English language. So it is really great moment for beginner student, beginner who is really passionate in English language. So you have been learning English 3 months or and you also interest to talk with new friends, a new beginner student. So this video may be motivation purpose, maybe using this video for beginner because you were already in teaching film, but you also learning English. So it is really glad
Yes.
moment.
So, because I thinking that we never stop learning.
Yes.
Learning is a forever process. If we
Yeah,
start
part of our
learning,
life.
yeah, this is an important part of it. Even we can see we learn from every small moment.
Hmm.
Something. If we notice and if we attentive for everything, so that time we will learn everything. So
Hmm.
we have just focus on our learning process, whatever we want, and we just seek for ourselves, our feeling, our passion in any field, whatever you want to learn, not only in language part and not only in speaking English.
Yeah.
This is only one part. You have wide area, vast area. You can just do whatever you want. So that is the learning, and we are like to learn English. So that's our platform. We are learning here, and that's why we are here now.
Okay, okay. So you told me maybe yesterday that you have been learning 3 months, and today also you told me that what is the way, like what is the exact way you are following every single day for learning purpose?
Yeah, so at beginning I started mm, first of all reading, because
Okay,
reading is the must part of. We always learn and we always read in our during schooling times. We read many things, but this learning is the, I think, very different from the others. This
yes,
reading is for improve your pronunciation. So just at the beginning I started reading at least 1 hour and half hour I started to read, and along with I also watched some video related to English, and then I start listening just like podcast. I also
okay.
listen some podcast, and
Mm-hmm.
then after that I sometimes, it is not my regular basis work, but sometimes I also used to write. So
Okay, that's also nice. Thought
yes.
nice thing that you also know in this way you are learning, you are practicing.
And when I started to speak, so that time I had many confusion that how could I speak. So for that I started to also watch some short story
Okay.
video of English.
Mm-hmm.
So and I just watch this video, and also after watching I narrate this video, not by
Oh,
video.
that's good.
Only,
That's
yeah, only audio I narrate. So it was not so long. It's only had been 15 days. This is narrating and at all writing, and after that I started to speak. Then some people in audio call,
so.
in audio.
Even though when you talk with anyone, then you feel any hesitation if your mind is thinking about it.
Yeah, at beginning I had, sometimes I felt what I'm doing. I don't know, because I never thought that. So, but yeah, so gradually I just indulged in this, and I think
Okay,
now so much more hesitation about this.
okay, fine. Yeah. So when you will go at your home, like when your school is over,
Yeah, yeah, it's around 2 p.m. Uh,
okay.
After that, we have to go.
But by the way, I never asked you where are you from?
Oh, I'm from UP. I told you the place.
No. You are from UP, but exact location like Lucknow, like which part of
No,
UP?
I belong to Rai Bareilly district.
Okay, fine. So in this video, we are talking many things, and but if you share that in beginner who is really passionate, what is their work in beginning time? If you share with your mind what is going on.
In my mind, and what I realize, what I experience according to this, at the beginning you had to just learn a basic part of grammar, because this
Yes.
is must for speaking. Basic
Okay.
part of grammar, not you going to so depth about that. And
Hmm.
after that you also should read, write something. Your daily routine is must. You write your daily routine in in present day what I'm doing today, then in past day what I did to tomorrow,
Okay.
yesterday, and then for tomorrow. So in this three way, this is daily routine. You also can improve slowly. This is the beginning part. This is the beginning. I also did it sometimes.
Okay. Fine. So
Okay.
uh, we can discuss anything if you wish, or if you have any question to ask me, you can ask.
Yes. So yeah, I also want to know from your side that you belong to, from where.
Actually, yes, my state name is West Bengal, but my district name is North Dinajpur.
Okay.
Yeah,
So could you tell me about your profession?
exactly. My name is Kaiser Alam, and I am from West Bengal in India, and I am a student of graduation level. I am doing my graduation because the reason of I lost 3 years, and after that I realized that I need more education, and after that I take my admission with Open University. And currently I'm working in private sector. So another part of I'm a student as well as I'm also working.
Yes,
And
right.
another thing is that I'm also really passionate to learn this spoken English language. So I'm really passionate in this platform.
Very nice, and you're doing great effort. And I think
Thank you.
one day,
And
yeah.
go ahead, no issue.
Okay. Okay, so Kaiser, I think we have discussed many things. So,
Okay.
would you have any topic then we can discuss? Or
Yes, actually, uh, we can discuss about education, like what is going on in your state in education, especially in COVID situation.
okay, so in COVID situation, I would like to tell from my side, and especially in my department, because I'm being a primary teacher. So I would like to tell something about there. So in
Okay.
this, yeah, in this field, you can say because students are not allowed in school, and we also knew that maybe in the upcoming month maybe third wave will come, so we are just aware and we are just follow all protocol of COVID-19. So under
Okay.
these circumstances we have to also done our duty. So
Okay.
for that,
That's a good
uh,
sign.
how can we connect and how could we taught our students? So for that we have just one platform, that is online. So
Yes.
online teaching is
Then
going.
you will
Yes.
teach your student with online, or you have been teaching in last year to till today. You have been teaching your student with online.
Yes, yes. But in last year it was not so effective. But in this
Okay.
year it is so effective, and people are influenced so much, and they wanted to do for their students, for their kids, because in the last year they have some idea. Okay, maybe it will be open, lockdown will be open, then their student can go. But now they are so obsessed. Okay, it not be going open. So we have
Okay.
just continue and connect in a new way.
Actually, ma'am, online classes is not available every family.
Yes, right.
Like every family not have to Android set. Maybe I don't know where you are teaching in your side, what the
Yes,
family background.
definitely.
But
So,
yeah,
in our family, they can't afford Android set. So, we have just talk on keypad call. It's
okay,
also, yeah. So, on
okay,
keypad call, you just suggest that whatever you have to done in this week or in this day. So, after the next day, you will just connect them and ask some question. And after that, you just, also resolve their problem and give them feedback. So, like that we had to do. And now the government going to be start a new class like the name is the mohalla pathshala, so we have to just
okay,
continue this in
okay. Your
every village.
state
We have to
government
go follow.
thought about this.
Yeah,
Your state government thought about this, and maybe you will
definitely.
go at mohalla, I can say area.
Yes, yes, yes. So this will be going, and just we have to follow and done it. And I think it will be rocking, because if a student, if we just meet a student and their parents door to door, then they will be impressed a lot. And I think primary education will be growing up.
Yes, yes, absolutely, absolutely. But here also same situation. Teacher are not allowed to go any school because COVID situation. Our government sector is not tells that you will go to your school. Here I can't see such types of atmosphere. But maybe upcoming 2 or 3 months later, maybe the everything is solved, I think. But
Yeah,
yes, absolutely. Teacher also came for distribution purpose midday meal sometimes.
right, right.
Yeah.
So
So okay, thank you for appreciation. Thank you for connect with me. Like we are talking many things in English language. So maybe this video helpful for beginner because they feel motivation because we have been learning just 3 months or 8 months. It doesn't matter, but we can talk easily without hesitation, because it is our dream and everyone can do, because it is a part of our life, because we can do in this language everything is possible in the world. I thought especially. So I
Definitely.
don't know it is possible for me or not, but I thought about this. But it is also good sign for us that we are learning, and maybe in future we will get a better result day by day. So I think so. Uh,
Yes. Right, right. Well said, you are.
yeah.
Okay. Okay,
Okay.
so that was really nice conversation with you.
Yeah. Thank you.
Again, okay? And bye. Have a nice day.
Yeah. Thank you. Bye bye.